welcome back to Jude Miller TV. Like and subscribe.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome to Toys Things. Now which one's the big? This one.
Alright, let's open this one. And what's this called?
Squish.
This is called Stretch Strike Trash Mobile. Oh, wow, looks amazing. Shall we open it? Yay! And Jude, what you got there?
This. But when I squeeze it, I'm trying to squeeze it.
What is this? Do you know what it's called? I'm trying to squish. Oh, hey, wow, I think it's coming out. Look. Let's squish. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Can you see? We did it. Let's open trash
Get
mobile.
I have it. Get the shark out.
Oh, look, we got. Oh, wow, looks amazing.
Go up and down.
Wow, it goes up and down. That looks so cool. You also have 3 bullets.
Wait a second. You put them somewhere here. You put it right
There, alright. You put it in his mouth.
Hello.
Hello, and you got a shark.
From here. Take it. Open this one. Okay. Let's open some. Now.
You put the bullet here. And are you ready to shoot?
That's a bullet time. Tiger!
Oh, are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that was really good, Jude.
Yeah, but I can say that one. Ready, set.
And what else we got? We got good shift test. Good G Zoo. Let's open it. Look, she needs squash. Shall we try to squash?
Yeah.
Alright.
Set.
Ready? Look, you can see we got this color. Yeah. And now we're gonna have
The squeeze.
squishy.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah, I'm just getting ready to make sure you can see. No, it didn't work. Oh, wow, look at this. She turned into pink. Wow.
And then I go like this. Hello. I am here. I don't know what that. Hey, release your mountains. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this.
That one is
This
the bad guy.
Oh my god, he's so squishy.
That one is the bad
It's like a gummy. That's a bad guy.
Yeah.
Okay, glow shifters. They glow in the dark. Oh, shall we open?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Fire! Oh, yeah.
Wow, it looks so good. Hey, hello. What, is it bad guy or not? This
It's
one.
not bad, guys. And this can glow in the dark.
Hey, have you seen a bad guy? Where is the bad guy?
I can feel something that you have to squeeze it.
Oh, something is
You have to
inside
squeeze
there.
it. You have to squeeze
We have to squeeze. Alright.
Yeah, and this
Ready, steady.
go.
What? Oh,
Try again.
yeah. Look, it turned into yellow, dark yellow. Can you see? Uh-oh, what happened? What did you done, Ralph? What did you done? Look, it's dark yellow. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Someone in our truck. Oh no! Little fighting. Yes, we did. Oh yeah, you take this. Oh
Okay, the next toy we're gonna open Superman. Wow. Oh, let's open Superman. Yeah. Wow, look at this.
What are we going to do? I'm not fighting someone. No, let's fight someone. Come on, let's fight a giver.
Hey guys, and we go WW Superstars. Oh, let's so the rock. This is called rock. We have the rock. Now we can open Rey Mysterio.
Yeah, that's fine.
Wow.
I go.
And we have microphone, then we have hands with black gloves, and we have with brown gloves.
Not big this time. Okay.
Hey guys, we got Bobby. Shall we take Bobby out?
Yeah.
Let's open Bobby.
Good.
Bobby! Wow! Look at the Bobby! Oh, let's take him out. Alright, come out, Bobby. Hey, that's Bobby.
I'm the winner! I'm the winner! Let's have a fight. Then.
Hey, you wanna have a fight? Okay, I'm gonna have a fight with you. Are you ready?